Okay, so I have focus. Give me all the fingers. All right, see that there on the middle finger? That was an ingrown nail, and I've been cutting it properly, so now it's less of an ingrown nail, but it's got that little notch there. It's hard to focus. See, but yeah, there's a little notch there, and I was gonna try and repair it. I'm gonna repair it like I do when I get a split. You know, like going up, like when you break the nail and it goes up into there. You know, deep along your nail, like runs up when you split a nail. I'm sure if you've ever had a split nail, you understand that idea. So I'm going to do this like I do that. First, you're going to need some fingernail polish. Doesn't matter what color. Some sandpaper, scissors, or I've also done this with some material to reinforce it with. We're making a composite today. I've also used like the snaggles on my jeans because I've done this out in the shop. Just tore a chunk off my jeans. Where the hole is, the threads, the loose threads. Tore that off and added some paint. So I'm going to use fabric today because I think that'll look prettier. Not that it matters. Rag for cleanup, scissors, nail polish, something to clean it up with. So first things first, let's go ahead and get a piece of fabric prepped. I only need a little strip along this side, so I'm only going to cut a little strip. Can you see what I'm doing? This is not bloody fabric. It is tie-dyed, thank you very much. But if you want to assume it's bloodied and I murdered someone and this is a rag I used to clean up with, go for it, because that's kind of fun. There we go. Got a little tiny piece of fabric, because it's going to go right like that, right? Looks like I need to trim it some more. We're going to start with a fresh one and just cut a little smaller piece. On that way. All right. Tiniest little piece there. That should work. All right. Little tiny piece. This is always fun getting it on the right place. Oh, piece of paper to, protect things. All right, so let's set that up here out of the way. Set my thing away. This is sandpaper. Feels like 220. Yeah, it doesn't say on the back. All right, so we're gonna sand our nail. This feels unpleasant, incredibly unpleasant. Ladies, how y'all do this? Whew. Feels very unpleasant. Feels like when you catch a nail on the bench grinder or something. Hurts. Alright. I want it up there for higher. Well, it is what it is. There we go. I would try and show you this to you better, but I gotta see what I'm doing too. Alright, there. Scratch it. Focus. There we go. Scratch it up good. This is now this is where we need our booze at. Don't drink this stuff. That's a bad idea. Clean it up. Might be a little open up there. Burns. Alright. This is why we're doing it, so that it doesn't open more spontaneously. Alright. I'm trying to do this so I don't have to trim it. Oh my. Trim my nails later. Afterwards. But sometimes it's often good to do it when your nail's ready to be trimmed. That way it can be a clean trim. Okay, we knew this was happening. Because it always happens. Ooh. Okay, now this is the time starter. I am really bad at this, obviously. Okay, we don't care though. Our goal is to get that little piece of fabric. Can you see? Yeah. I'm trying to get that little piece of fabric in just the right spot there. Pick it up and move it around. Oh, yeah, there we are. Yeah. There. Okay, we are going to have to trim in a minute. No! Okay. Starting over. Wipe off what I can here. Like I said, it's not always gonna, well, I don't know if I said it, but it ain't always gonna work right. Just kind of paint over it all. So, a composite is a fiber, or a material embedded in a fiber. In this case, my goodness, we're not doing too great today. The fiber is the rag, and the matrix is the polish. Not happy with this. I think I like the first attempt. Huh. I'm sitting here just sort of flipping the camera off the whole time. That's a fun idea. Wonder what the algorithm's gonna think about. Okay. No, damn it. Alright. It all came off. I'm being impatient. Now, and away we go again. Just gonna do that. Oh, that's a thought. This is not working good though. However, can hold that. Okay, be patient. This is absolutely ridiculous. Oh, and paint thinner does not remove this stuff. I'm sure all the ladies could tell me that. Now I know. Crap. Where'd it go? Okay. What's that? Nope, that ain't it. My impatience is kicking me in the butt today. So, we're going to cut a big chunk. I swear I have done this more times than I would like. But, yeah. We're having a hard time today. That's all there is to it. Maybe it's because it's my middle finger. It's almost always on my thumb, and that's probably why. It's always on my thumb. And it's on this one now. So, alright. Now we know why we're having some of our struggles. The other parts of our struggles are purely impatience. Aqua squish, come here. Also known as watermelon. Alright. welcome to YouTube. Okay, down. Okay, stuck on again. Let's hope it stays. Alright, see you in a few. There we go. Okay, is dried on. That looks terrible. It's dried finally. That took forever. Ate lunch, played some Minecraft. So, we're gonna put on a finish coat. Whoa, gonna make a mess. Clean it up. Oh, and I learned paint thinner, like paint thinner, does not do anything for all of the red that's everywhere. Now I know. But, you know, this is the only bottle of paint, or of nail polish in the whole house, so way too much to ask that we have any acetone. Terrible mess. Why I'm painting it? I guess it doesn't really need painted, does it? But this helps blend the nail in. And gives it another coat. Yeah. There. Perfectly brutalized. Alright, now when this dries, go change spark plug on a car. It's going to take forever. Alright, well, there you go. That's how I fix splits in my nail. Fingernail polish and some sort of fiber to hold it all together. Hopefully your adventures work better than this. It does the job, though. Alright, bye.